Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question where we need to find the area of shaded portion, right? This green portion. So suppose I say this side is x and I say this side is y. Okay. If this is x, what will be this side then? This is 8 minus x because this whole is x, right? And this whole is 9, right? So this will be what? This will be 9 minus x, right? Okay, so now what are we given? We are given that area of this rectangle. Suppose this side is y, then this will also be y and this will also be y, right? Okay, so what we are given? We are given that area of this rectangle is 25. What will I do? What is the area of rectangle? Length times breadth is equal to 25. This is first equation. And then second equation is another rectangle, 9 minus x times y is equal to 32. What do we need to find? We need to find area of this rectangle, that is xy. Okay, so I will solve these equations now. So I have 8y minus xy is equal to 25. 9y minus xy is equal to 32, right? If I subtract equation number 1 from 2, okay, 2 minus 1, I can write it 2 minus 1. So what will be 9y minus 8y? Y. And these both will cancel out, right? And what is 32 minus 25? It's 7. So we got y is 7, right? Okay. So what will I do now? I will substitute the value of y in equation, any of these equation, okay? So 8 minus x times y is equal to 25, right? 8 sevens are 56 minus 7x is equal to 25. So this is actually, when we solve it, I will bring 25 on left hand side and 7x will go to right hand side, okay? So what is this? This is 31 is equal to 7x, right? That means x is equal to 31 by 7. Now you have got x and y both and you need to find, I can write it here, we need to find, what do we need to find? xy, because area of this shaded portion is xy, length times breadth. So xy is 31 by 7 times y is 7. I cancel this out. Area is 31 centimeter square. And this is our answer. So area is 31 centimeter square, right? So I hope you understood this. If you want to do many such questions, please visit my channel. You will find many Maths Olympiad questions, conceptual questions and short tricks as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.